This is Microsoft Word formatting and reviewing documents, second tutorial on Microsoft Word. What we are interested in here is basically after you have finished building a document. So having said that, I have a completely blank document that I'll be working on, but the point of this topic is reviewing one that's finished, securing one that you've shared, and maybe even collaborate on the building of a document. The activity for this topic is going to involve an input device and creating an essay. Having said that, I don't expect you to write an essay because this is not an English class. Input device, output device, we talked about this at the beginning of the course, and I'm going to give you an example of an output device. Right here, the Moto Z Force InstaShare Projector. It's an output device because it takes a signal from a computer and does something with it. So I'm going to copy that, and I now have a title. Title should look a little bit fancier, so at some point we're going to have to format that. Let's see, this would make a good website. So I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to add it to my source manager as a website. This might seem like a little bit of work, but fairly easy work. So this is written by Motorola. Don't see an actual author. So Motorola is there. The website is Amazon Prime. Name of the web page. It's usually the title on the web page. And I've seen this on 12th day of the 12th month. There we go. And this is going to be known as Mont 16, but you could easily change that if you wanted it. Anyways, there we go. So the reason you use the source manager is because at the end of any essay, quite likely you're going to require a bibliography. And since we have now a link in this current document to a source that's properly fleshed out, I will be able to both add a bibliography or references or works cited. Depends on the formatting that is required by the essay. For me, bibliography is going to work. Also, I'm going to ask you to add some citations, and you do that by clicking off the citation out of your source manager. But before we can do that, we actually need to add some comment. So I'm going to give a list of features. There we go. And since I did not write this, I'm going to put this inside of a quote and show the world a citation for that. Oh, come on. There we go. My essay probably is going to want to talk a little bit about first projector, since this is a projector, so maybe it's got a subtitle, some more writing. And where did I get this from? There's the link. Back to manage sources. Let's add a new one. It's a website. It's got a link. The name of the website is reference.com. Name of the web page. I think that's probably it there. Again, we saw this today. 12th day, 12th month. Author. Ooh, look at that. No author. So we'll leave it blank. This is going to be known as Who 16. So I'm going to have to add another citation. There we go. Probably should have a picture. Well, see, there's lots more. Ooh, maybe even hologram technology. We have a nice picture. And we go visit the page so we can actually get a source for this. Page. I think Moda InstaShare Projector. We saw that in 2016, 12/12. Is there an author? See anybody's name there, so I'll leave it blank. This is going to be Mort 16 for see, you can maybe put in a caption here. All right, I think we're ready for our bibliography. There we go. Don't really like how that's on multiple pages. Oh yeah, and as promised, let's make that an actual title. There we go. And then let's make that maybe a subheading. That's better. We can get rid of our paragraph marks. I don't really like what we've done here. Let's move it over a little bit. All right. Probably should make sure that this writing is consistent with this writing. So we can use our format painter. And now it's the same. All right, it's looking pretty good. So for the advanced features, we've got under the review here, the spelling and grammar. We can play with that. It's going to tell us that these words are not spelled right, but I'm not entirely certain that Insta-share is a real word anyways, so don't have to be too concerned about it. I really doubt it's going to be in our computer's dictionary anyways. There we go, they're consistent. Spell check would have found that as well. But under the review, I've asked you to send this to a partner for some feedback. Now, the track changes button is basically an on-off switch. By clicking it, you'll see that it's now highlighted, and that means this document is ready to show you any edits that somebody with this file has made. So you have to save your document, and then you can send it to a partner. They'll do some edits, maybe they'll add a new comment, and you can see maybe you spelt this wrong and they made an edit. There's a little mark here that says that they changed it. And well, while we're at it, why don't we just show you what a comment looks like. That's what a comment looks like. So once they save their file and they send it back to you, you can turn track changes off and read their comments. You can delete the comment. It's gone. You can also look at their edits. You can accept it. Oh, maybe you want to reject it. You want to reject that. There we go. Document's all looking very fancy. You give it a quick save. And then under the menu here, you have create a PDF document. And this allows you to create a document that, well, I think in its purpose that nobody could edit. It is possible to open it up with a PDF writer and make a change to it, but it preserves the layout, formatting, fonts, and images. Content can be easily changed, and as it says here, free viewers are available on the web. This is the type of document you send to somebody when you are finished, and it's the good copy. And I've asked you to upload a PDF document in some of my courses, and you don't really want to upload a Word document to a website because you're assuming that everybody is using Microsoft Word, and in the rare chance that they're not, they won't actually be able to read the document. But because there are free viewers available on the web, you can almost be guaranteed that everybody will be able to open a PDF and they'll see your finished work.